Welcome back. Before starting, if these videos are helping you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now let's continue with our preparation of Salesforce admin certification exam with some practice question where I will be showing you some questions with some options and will also reveal the correct answer of those questions. So let's start with question number 1. The question number 1 is on your screen. Also, if you need the slides, then please let me know in the comment box. You can also connect with me on Twitter or I hope you are able to guess the correct answer. Let's see the correct answer of this question number. The correct answer is option A, create and manage articles for internal. Let's move to the question number 2. Let's see the answer of this question. It is related to outbound chain sets. Correct answer is option B, deploy metadata changes between environments. If we need to deploy our data from sandbox to production, then we will create. Let's move to the next question. Here they are asking about external ID in Salesforce. Let's see the answer of this question. Correct answer is option B, a field that uniquely identifies records outside of Salesforce. Let's move to the next question. Try to guess it. I hope you are able to guess the answer of this question. Let's see what is the correct option. The correct option is C, configure a data export job. Let's move to the next question, which is on your screen now. So if you know about Salesforce Connect, then you will be able to guess the correct answer, correct option. Let's see the answer of this question. What option? Correct option is option B, connect to external data sources in real time. Let's move to the next question, question number 6. Also, if you want me to uh, record this similar playlist for platform developer 1 exam, then please let me know in the comment box below. I hope you are able to guess the answer. Let's move to the answer. Correct answer is option B, record information for troubleshooting and analysis. I hope it goes correct. Let's move to the next one. Here they are asking about permission set groups. If you know about permission set group, then this question is a cakewalk. Let's see the answer of this question. And the correct answer is option A, assign multiple permission sets to a single user. Let's move to the next one. Question number 8 is on your screen now. How can we restrict the deletion of records in Salesforce? If you have played with profiles or permission sets in Salesforce, then is the correct. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. And the correct option is option C, use the read only permissions in profile. Let's move to the next one. Question number 9 is on your screen. Now they are asking about field dependencies. So if you have played with a pick list, you will be able. I hope you are able to guess. Let's see the correct option. The correct answer is option B, control the visibility of fields based on the values of another field. And the next question is on your screen now. Again, it is related to list. Try guessing it. Not guessing it, try like I will reveal the correct option. Also, please share the videos with friends. They can also like pass the Salesforce certification admin. Let's see the answer of this question number 10. And the correct option is option A, define a common set of values for a pick list across multiple objects. So that's it in this video. If these videos are helping you, then please like the video, comment what you need from me, what are the videos I should cover in the future, share with your friend, and yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.